Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we are going to make Western Canadian steakadillas. We are going to start with half a package of chopped bacon, which we are going to fry until crispy. Then we're going to add 1 cup sliced mushrooms, half a sliced white onion, and half a sliced leek, half a red sliced bell pepper, and half a yellow sliced bell pepper, 1 can chopped baby corn, or corn kernels if you prefer, 1 clove zested garlic, and about a teaspoon of Montreal steak spice. And deglaze the pot with about 1/4 cup of chicken or beef broth. Add a sprig of fresh rosemary and fresh thyme, and about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then put on the lid and allow to simmer while you barbecue your steaks. Look at that snow. We are cooking steaks in the middle of January. Why? Because we're Canadian. It's what we do. Okay, now we are going to put together our steakadillas. First, we take 1 tortilla and we cut into it in one spot halfway into the center so that it looks like sort of a Pac-Man. Gonna put that on our pan, and we are going to fill each quadrant. The first we are going to fill with cheese. Then our next quadrant we are going to fill with our beautiful, delicious barbecued steak. Following that, our corn and mushroom succotash. And in our final quadrant, we are going to spread a smearing of Guy Fieri's root beer barbecue sauce. Trust me, it makes all the difference in the world. It is absolutely delicious. Then we are going to fold each quadrant into quarters to make a triangle. And there you have it, a Western Canadian steakadilla Paco, or as we call it, a pocket taco. If you like this video or learned anything, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and join us next time for our homemade meatballs and spaghetti sauce. You guys are gonna love this.